this is Nirayan. Say hi, Nirayan.
Hi.
This is his first time riding a bike. Show us, Nirayan. Awesome! Wow! Look at him go. Can you go to the far end and come back? Go all the way. Right, turn back now. Great. Go all the way to the end. All the way. All the way. Great. Oh, okay. Can you slow down a bit? You're going a bit fast. Oh, and he stops. Wow. Give us a thumbs up. Do you like your new bike? Are you an awesome bike rider? Should Dad buy a bike and then we can ride together?
We can have a race.
We can have a race. Okay, cool.
Well, cost
Okay.
expensive.
Say bye.